Hi, I'm Aaron, a third-year architecture student here at the University of Waterloo. I applied to a job with Waterloo AI, expecting to learn a little bit about AI, artificial intelligence, and then move on with my career unaffected by my time here. That will not be the case. The more I learn about AI, the more my ignorant nervousness turns into excitement. This field will doubtless alter human existence as much, if not more, than the wheel, the steam engine, and the internet. I wish someone had told me about AI when I was younger and I was deciding my career path. That said, AI will significantly disrupt most fields of work, so it's never too late to learn about it. I will certainly be implementing AI to some degree in my architectural path ahead. When I started working here, I knew nothing about AI, other than what I've gleaned from sci-fi stories and a few tech-related YouTube videos. It wasn't really my thing, so I never took the time to learn what it meant. On my second day here, I got a definition. AI is prediction. As the work term progressed, the definition was expanded and clarified. Artificial intelligence can be roughly divided into two parts, namely machine learning and logical reasoning. A dominant and fascinating area of AI today is the use of machine learning to analyze data to create predictions. These predictions/recommendations help humans make data-driven decisions. The short way of saying it would be decisions from predictive analytics that can benefit humanity in day-to-day and business tasks, but also for broader social good impacts. This data is any kind of information that can be collected, sorted, and compared with information of the same type, such as text, numbers, images, and audio files. I always thought AI was supposed to replace human workers, and in some cases it is, like in harsh work environments, hard to access places, and repetitive, tedious tasks. But for the most part, a decision derived from a prediction is a valuable resource to augment a human's capabilities, not replace them. AI is not a person. It's a collaborator that enables people to do their work more easily and with more insight. It is an ongoing cycle where the person gets better, and then the AI is provided with better information, and so they both get better over time. As part of my job, I regularly interview professors who have spent most of their lives entrenched in this world of artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, natural language processing, and similar conceptual themes. As I spoke with them, I realized that a lot of these things, like differentiating between a cat and a dog in a picture, may sound simple to us, but they're extremely hard to teach to a computer. It takes thousands of iterations for the AI to get it right, but when it does get the hang of it, it's able to take that skill to the next level and accurately label the subject of an image where humans can't even tell what it is. Here at the University of Waterloo, there are both AI degree programs and dozens of courses to be taken as AI electives across all 6 faculties: arts, engineering, environment, health, mathematics, and science. This is great because it means that if you're interested in AI, there are options to supplement your current core courses. Before I started working here, I was looking for jobs on Waterloo Works, like I'm sure many of you have done or are about to do. I kept seeing postings for data analyst jobs, dozens of them, and I was honestly frustrated because I was searching for jobs for my program, architecture, and these non-architectural jobs were flooding the pages. Now I realize that data is important in every field of work, and data analysis is also important in architecture. AI can be used to determine things like the best window placement for lighting, optimal layouts for heating and cooling airflow, the thickness of steel members, and the best circulation path of visitors through a museum. I've learned a lot this co-op term, and I'm excited to move forward in my architectural career with AI in mind. I'll be on the lookout for new tools and applications to help me with my work and continue to stay updated on the breakthroughs in AI research and applications. I'll definitely pay more attention to those data analyst jobs, and probably even apply to a few of them. Data is everywhere, and with AI, that data can be used to improve not only business income, which is where it's extensively used already, but also to improve the general population's quality of life, and provide holistic solutions to future problems such as flooding, disease, and animal extinctions. We can only solve problems once we see them, and with AI, we can see them and solve them before they happen. AI can benefit anyone in any field of work, from agriculture, supply chain, manufacturing, and the automotive industry, to finance, social work, healthcare, and scientific research, to name a few. AI is becoming more accessible as well. NLP, natural language processing, enables computers to decipher human language and determine not only the meaning of each word, but also the nuance and context of the speech. Thanks to NLP, AI is accessible even to people who don't know how to code. I now feel more empowered and confident as I strive forward in our modern world. This is partly because of my new knowledge of artificial intelligence, and for that reason I hope you do some research of your own to educate yourself about this new field of technology. This is the beginning of the next age of human existence, and the future looks bright. If you want to learn more, check out our website, waterloo.ai, to be updated monthly with events and new content.